Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I'm reviewing the Master Massage Berkeley Ergonomic Saddle Stool, a product designed to help alleviate back pain while offering the ultimate comfort for long hours of sitting. Whether you're a professional in the beauty industry, a dental hygienist, or a tattoo artist, this stool promises to support you throughout your day. Let's dive into what makes this stool unique and whether it lives up to its claims. First, let's talk about its design. The Berkeley Ergonomic Saddle Stool features a two-part seat design, which is a standout feature in the ergonomic chair world. This dual-seat structure improves airflow and reduces pressure in sensitive areas, making it ideal for those who spend extended hours seated. It's essentially designed for comfort, with breathability in mind to ensure you stay dry and cool. But how effective is this design in real-world use? I'll share my experience with that in just a moment. Now, when it comes to adjustability, the Master Massage Stool does not disappoint. With a height range from 21 inches to 28 inches and a tilting angle of -20 degrees to +20 degrees, you can easily customize the chair to suit your posture needs. This level of flexibility ensures that whether you're working at a high desk or sitting lower for more detailed tasks, you can find your perfect sitting position. The added bonus is the adjustable backrest, which can be tailored to your preferred height and angle for even more personalized comfort. As someone who's spent hours on similar stools, having these adjustments really made a difference, especially when it comes to spinal alignment. On the practical side, I was impressed with how smooth and easy it was to roll this stool across different surfaces. The polyurethane wheels glide effortlessly, whether on hardwood floors or carpet, which is a must for anyone who needs to move around frequently. The heavy-duty base adds stability, which combined with its 330 pounds weight capacity, ensures this stool is built to last, even for larger individuals. So, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this stool offers superior comfort thanks to its ergonomic saddle seat design. It's easy to adjust for height and tilt, allowing for a customizable fit. The backrest adjustment also sets the stool apart, giving you the ability to further align your spine and prevent discomfort. The smooth movement across various surfaces and the sturdy build makes it perfect for professionals who need a reliable, long-lasting stool. On the flip side, while the stool is sturdy, the two-part seat design might take some getting used to if you're accustomed to more traditional seating. It could feel a little different initially, but once you're seated properly, the comfort factor outweighs the learning curve. Additionally, the price point is on the higher end, which might make some second-guess the investment, especially if you're not in a profession that requires long hours of sitting. Now, let's talk value for money. Is the price justified? Well, given the sturdy construction, the thoughtful ergonomic design, and the adjustability features, I'd say this stool offers great value for the price, particularly for those who work in settings that require prolonged sitting. The quality materials and overall comfort factor really do make it worth the investment, especially when you compare it to lower-end stools that don't provide the same level of support or durability. When compared to similar products in the market, the Master Massage Stool stands out for its combination of comfort, adjustability, and sturdy build. There are cheaper stools out there, but few offer the same ergonomic benefits and versatility. If you're in a profession where sitting for long hours is the norm, this stool could be the upgrade you need. In terms of build quality and longevity, the stool is built to last. The large metallic base feels solid, and the polyurethane wheels seem durable enough to handle various surfaces without any signs of wear. If you're someone who invests in high-quality products for your work environment, this stool should be a long-term, reliable choice. I haven't had direct experience with customer support, but based on the reputation of Master Massage products, they are known for their quality and customer service. If there were any issues, I'm confident they would address them promptly, given the brand's attention to detail and customer satisfaction. As for product alternatives, while there are other ergonomic stools available, they don't always combine the same level of adjustability and comfort for such a large weight capacity. However, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, I'd suggest exploring alternatives in the lower price range, but they may not offer the same level of durability or support. To wrap things up, the Master Massage Berkeley Ergonomic Saddle Stool is a fantastic option for professionals who spend a lot of time sitting and need something that provides comfort and support. Its ergonomic design, customizable features, and smooth movement make it a top contender in this category. While it may come with a higher price tag, it justifies that cost with its long-lasting build and superior comfort. If you need a reliable stool for your professional needs, this one is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.